In this short video tutorial, we are going to demonstrate how to use the AV equipment in your classroom. If the equipment is powered on, you are ready to log in. If you need to power on the unit, tap the touch screen anywhere to begin. Next, select which input you will be using. Select PC to use the house computer. If you are bringing your own device, you can select either laptop or wireless to connect. When connecting your laptop via a hardwired cable, you can select the appropriate adapter from the bundle. If you opted to use the Malloy-provided PC, you will need to log onto the Malloy network using your full email address and password. This room is equipped with a laser projector that allows you to present your materials to the class. On the podium, you will see the main control panel. This room is fully zoom capable, so you will see the ability to turn the camera tracking on and off, manual camera controls, and the ability to zoom in and out. Additionally, you are able to black out the presentation screen using the clear button, allowing you to navigate through your materials outside of student view. You can mute the Zoom microphone, and you can control the main volume to the room using the plus and minus symbols. You also have the ability to completely mute the audio. The monitor in this room can also be used as an annotator. You can use Microsoft Whiteboard for extra whiteboard space, or you can use Epic Pen to annotate as an overlay on top of the material that you are presenting. We will demonstrate how to use these features in a separate video. Another key feature that we would like to point out is that you have the ability to raise and lower the height of our new podiums using the up and down arrows located towards the lower front of the desk. When finished with class, please remember to log out of the computer and shut down the equipment. To begin the shutdown process, touch the power button located in the upper right-hand corner of the panel. Then select Shut Down Now. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to Technology Learning Services at tls@malloy.edu. Thank you.